Hey, I wanted to fill you in on what project we're working on today. We are finally clearing up this old maple tree. Fell on our property a little over a year ago. And it's perfect timing for a special surprise that we have coming later today. Actually, it should be here any minute. We are unboxing our Woodland Mills mill. As you can see, it came in this box with a big sturdy frame, which is kind of nice to see that it's bent a little bit, which means it did the job protecting everything. But everything inside looks really good.